Corvette and Camaro fans, take your ride's braking game to the next level. Baer Brakes Eradispeed Plus Rotor Tech is here to deliver the goods. Your modern muscle brakes might be decent, but with Baer's Eradispeed Plus rotors, you're kicking it up to elite status in stopping power. These are specifically tailored for Chevrolet Corvettes and Camaros. These rotors are a direct replacement for the stock rotors and work with the OE calipers. These ain't ordinary rotors, these are two-piece rotors, meaning they're lighter than your single-piece setup. Less weight means better response when you hit those brakes. These rotor rings are built to handle the heat with extra mass where it counts and curved vanes for top-notch cooling. The slots and cross drilling help reduce friction losses. Performance pads that match these rotor sets are also available that will typically increase braking performance. Mounted on a 6061 T6 billet aluminum center hat, these rotors are as sleek as they are strong, with zinc plating for that extra touch of durability. Everything you need for a killer brake upgrade. Upgrade your Corvette or Camaro with Baer Brakes Eradispeed Plus rotors. Check out the full lineup of Baer Brakes at Baer.com.